Oh. What do you want now?
The people want new videos, Daddy.
Oh. I see. New videos, huh? Well, I got the remedy for that. Allow me. Come. Join me. This is 1 million. 1 million by Paco Rabanne. Lucky. Let's see what's inside. Oh. Ah, the beauty. We don't need that anymore. 1 million by Paco Rabanne. Lucky. The notes on this fragrance is hazelnut, plum, honey, jasmine, and there's more. But these are the main notes. Let's get to testing, shall we? Smells gorgeous. This smells very sweet, it's manly, and you could definitely smell all those notes all at once. The performance on this is 8+ hours. Guys, I paid $100 for the 100 ml, but if you guys want the biggest size, it's gonna be around $130. In my opinion, this is a good buy. And since we're in the holidays right now, if you guys want to get someone a gift, 1 million by Paco Rabanne, Lucky, is a great gift to give to someone. It was a pleasure making this video, but I have things to do. I'd love to stay and chat, like I said, but I have things to do.